Hey there, nature lovers! Are you ready for an adventure of a lifetime? Today, I'm taking you on a journey to one of the most awe-inspiring places on Earth, the Grand Canyon. This natural wonder is a testament to the incredible power and beauty of our planet. Nestled in the heart of Arizona, this colossal natural wonder stretches a whopping 277 miles long and plunges over a mile deep. It's a sight that leaves you breathless, a place where the Earth's history is laid bare for all to see. It's like Mother Nature herself took a paintbrush and carved out a masterpiece over millions of years. The colors, the textures, the sheer scale of it all, it's nothing short of magical. The Grand Canyon isn't just big, it's a geological time machine. Each layer of rock tells a story, a chapter in the Earth's epic novel that spans millions of years. You see those vibrant layers of red, orange, and gold you're gazing at. They're ancient rocks telling tales that date back millions of years. It's like reading a history book written by the Earth itself. Every stratum is a chapter in the Earth's epic novel. From the oldest Vishnu schist at the bottom to the youngest Kaibab limestone at the top, each layer reveals a different era of our planet's past. As the Colorado River carved its way through the rock, it left behind clues about our planet's past. The river's relentless flow has shaped the canyon over millions of years, creating a landscape that is both beautiful and scientifically invaluable. But wait, there's more to this majestic place than just rocks and rivers. The Grand Canyon is a living, breathing ecosystem home to a diverse array of plants and animals. From the elusive mountain lion to the majestic California condor, the Grand Canyon is teeming with life. It's a reminder that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way to thrive. The Grand Canyon is also a sacred space for Native American tribes like the Hopi and Navajo. For them, it's not just a breathtaking view, it's a spiritual home, filled with stories and traditions that have been passed down through generations. These tribes have a deep connection to the land, seeing it as a living entity that must be respected and protected. Their stories and traditions add a rich cultural layer to the Grand Canyon's already fascinating history. Walking through the Grand Canyon is like stepping into a different world. The vastness of the landscape gives you a sense of stillness and peace that's hard to find anywhere else. The vastness of the landscape gives you a sense of stillness and peace. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Imagine the wind echoing through the deep chasms and the play of light and shadow creating an almost otherworldly atmosphere. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the natural world. It's as if time itself slows down, inviting you to pause and reflect. Watching the sunset over the canyon is a truly magical experience, as the colors change and the shadows lengthen, creating a breathtaking display of natural beauty. Hikers and explorers often talk about the eerie quiet that settles in the canyon. It's a silence that's almost tangible, a reminder of the vastness and timelessness of this incredible place. Picture standing on the rim and hearing nothing but the distant rush of the Colorado River below. It's a profound experience, a connection to both nature and history that's hard to put into words. It's a profound experience, a connection to both nature and history that's hard to put into words. It's a place that makes you feel small in the best possible way, reminding you of the incredible power and beauty of the natural world. Whether you're gazing from the rim or descending into the depths, the Grand Canyon captivates your senses and ignites your imagination. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left, a memory that you'll cherish forever. It's more than just a destination, it's a place of discovery and timeless mystery. Each visit is a new chapter in your own adventure, a chance to uncover the secrets that lie within its depths. Each visit is a new chapter in your own adventure, a chance to uncover the secrets that lie within its depths. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-time visitor, the Grand Canyon has something to offer everyone. So next time you're planning a trip, consider the Grand Canyon. It's a place that will inspire you, humble you, and fill you with wonder. It's a journey that you'll never forget. Let it inspire you, humble you, and fill you with wonder. Because sometimes the greatest journeys aren't just about where you go, but what you discover along the way. Because sometimes the greatest journeys aren't just about where you go, but what you discover along the way. The Grand Canyon is a place of endless discovery, a place where you can find yourself and lose yourself all at once. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the Grand Canyon as much as I have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature explorations. There's so much more to see and discover, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. The world is full of wonders just waiting.